Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to fix PHP installation missing and the error which occur. Please check Mysqli extension. So this is very easy to understand. First of all, if you have a domain and hosting from a same service, for me it is Namecheap, so go ahead and open your cpanel through that. Once you open your cpanel, you will end up over here. Obviously you can search at the bottom, but at the top right corner I'm going to search for PHP and you need to search that as well. And I'm using Namecheap, so I'm going with this. Obviously if you don't have a Namecheap, you can go with the second option also. Both of them are same, so no need to worry. So once you open that, it will take you right over here. What you can do, go ahead and change your version to lower version. Once you do that, and after that retry it. If it's not working, this might be only last solution which you can do. Just open this, enable this MySQLi. Once you enable this and set the current version is lower, your site will be fixed and MySQLi extension will be installed. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.